The sun is shining, the days are getting longer, and a lot of us have that fresh start feeling. Spring is here. And a lot of us at this time of year think about cleaning and decluttering our homes. Some of us absolutely hate it, whereas others of us absolutely love it. However, there is another important area in our lives that deserves special attention: our finances. Read on as I explain 4 fresh tips for spring cleaning your finances and see how you can plant the seeds now to grow your money for the future. So, tip number 1: get your hands dirty. Preparation is key to a good clean out. So if you're tackling that wasteland underneath your bed, you'd first arm yourself with bin bags, your hoover, dusters, rubber gloves. But the same goes for your finances. Doing 5 minutes here and there is not going to cut through all that waste. So set aside at least a couple of hours to really sit down and focus on all money related aspects of your life. Now, if this does fill you with dread, promise yourself a little reward at the end of all your hard work. So whatever that may be, maybe some cake, maybe a glass of wine, is always a good incentive. Next, open your laptop and get hold of the last 3 months' worth of bank statements. This will give you a good snapshot of where you're making gains and losses. Then, if you don't already have one, set up a spreadsheet detailing your outgoings and incomings. A second tip: switch and save. Once you have your 2 columns, already you may be seeing a bad spending pattern. Cancel the things that you don't need anymore, and then you can get yourself onto a comparison site like Money Supermarket and start switching to save. Look at 5 key areas. So your electricity and your gas, your insurance, whether it's your car insurance, your pet insurance, your home insurance, your phone, landline, mobile, your broadband. What TV package do you have? Can I get a cheaper one? Your credit cards. Could you do a balance transfer to a cheaper rate? Can you get a better deal on any of these packages and areas? You could save hundreds in the time it takes you to sort out a cupboard. Tip number 3: go big. What do I mean? Well, it's all very well switching and saving on smaller bills, but look at the big things you own as well, like your home, your house, your apartment. You may already be locked into a mortgage deal, and getting out of it would incur larger penalties. However, if your deal is ending soon, or even in a year's time, now is the time to start shopping around. Contact a mortgage broker who will give you free advice about the state of your mortgage and how you can find a better deal when yours ends. Here at Pink Pig Financials, we highly recommend and work closely with Daniel, who can advise you in all these matters. So please feel free to contact us for further information and we can put you both in touch. 4th tip: dust off old savings and make them grow. Now, unlike the mold lurking in the corner of your bathroom, financial growth can be a good thing. If you do have savings, give yourself a pat on the back. But are you making the most of them? If they are earning 0.00001% in interest, step out of your comfort zone and look into investing. Now, there are some great and safe deals, ISAs and fixed term bonds out there, which could double the interest you're making in your standard savings account. Now, an ISA is a savings account where you can save or invest your money without paying tax on the return you make on your investment. And Fidelity Investment ISA is a flexible way to start investing with regular saving plans from just £50 a month or with £1,000 lump sum. Don't forget, the end of the tax year is fast approaching, so make the most of your existing ISAs or open a new one by the 5th of April and benefit from your savings. For the year 2022 to 23 tax year, everyone has an ISA allowance of $20,000. This is the maximum amount you're allowed to pay into ISAs between the 6th of April 2022 and the 5th of April 2023. So make the most of your existing ISAs or new ones now. I hope you found these tips helpful and something to think about. Happy spring cleaning!